Tell me what you're wearing. What are you wearing right now?
Outfit.
Your what outfit?
Construction outfit.
Construction outfit, okay. What? See, you got your do-rag underneath your hard hat. Can I see the hat underneath there? What's the hat underneath?
It's a snow hat.
Oh, it's a snow hat, okay.
And I'm going to get spun out.
Spin her out.
I need something else.
What else? Hurry up, hurry up.
I need a wrench.
A wrench, okay. May 15th, 2013. I'm having too much fun to put him in bed right now. Oh!
What does this thing do?
That's a saw. That's a monkey wrench.
Does it come? Do I like this that I use?
Yep, like that. That's how you use it.
Can you skin it?
Mm-hmm.
I need something else. I need a tweed rack a pen.
Uh-huh. All right, this could go on a while.